8 technical skills you should have as a developer. If you are a computer science student or doing a course to become a software engineer or a software developer, there are some technical skills you need to have to become a good programmer. 1. Data structures and algorithms. This skill is the topmost priority by most companies to check the problem-solving and coding skills. You can become a good software developer if you know how data can be organized and how it can be used to solve a real-life problem. As a developer, a computer science student, or a self-taught programmer, you should put serious effort into learning data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are the heart of programming. Initially, most developers do not realize its importance, but when you start your career in software development, you will find your code is either taking too much time or taking too much space. There you will realize the importance of organizing the data using the right data structure and algorithm to solve a specific problem in less time and less space. Some of the websites where you can learn and practice this skill are Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, CodeCheck, Career Cup, LeetCode, etc. 2. Programming languages. In order to become a good programmer, you must have command of at least one programming language in depth. When it comes to deciding which programming language you should choose, it depends on your area of interest and in which language you love to solve the problems or you are comfortable with. 3. Source control. Source control helps the developer in managing and storing their code. Today most organization is looking for a developer who is proficient in version control and collaborate with other team members. So if your plan is to become a good software developer, you need to be comfortable with version control concepts and tools like Git, preferred by 70 to 80% of organizations, Mercurial, SDN, etc. 4. Text editors. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert level programmer. Every programmer's programming journey starts with text editors. It is an essential tool in programmers' daily life. Not only programmers, even non-programmers also use text editors for their own purposes. There are a lot of text editors available like Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom, Brackets, Visual Code, etc. Every programmer, especially a beginner, should spend some time learning text editor and some keyboard shortcuts to becoming a smart and productive developer. 5. IDEs, Integrated Development Environment. IDEs allow you to write, modify, compile, run, and debug your code. When it comes to choosing the best development environment, different programmers have different choices for different purposes or languages they are working on. Every programmer should know how to use IDEs to write, compile, run, and debug their code. Using an IDE speeds up their work, and there are so many IDEs available for developers. For C, C++, and C# programmers, most recommended choice is Visual Studio or Code::Blocks. For Python developers, PyCharm, Spider, or Jupyter Notebook is also getting popularity. For Java, Eclipse, NetBeans, and IntelliJ IDEA is the best choice for developers. 6. Databases. An essential skill for developers is an understanding of working with databases. Developers should know all kinds of operation like how to store records, create, insert, update, delete, etc. Creating any kind of application and software is impossible for any organization without a database. When a developer works on any serious business project, they also need to take care of security issues and manage the complete organization record with proper backup, and that's the reason. Every organization expects a developer comfortable in working with databases and managing the complete record securely. There is no doubt that SQL is the most popular classic database among developers. If you want to become a good developer, you need to be good at writing at least basic SQL queries. Oracle, PostgreSQL, Mongo, Cassandra, Redis, etc. are the databases you can work with. 7. Operating system. A serious software developer should know the fundamentals and mechanism of the operating system. When a developer works on a project, they deal with many issues related to an operating system, like memory usage, communicating with another machine, running a program very slowly, tools, conflicting issues, blocking issues, etc. When a developer writes code on one machine that doesn't work on another machine, then it can create a serious issue at the production level. So it's good to have good knowledge of the process and mechanism of the operating system you are going to work with. Most programmers prefer working on Linux, Windows machines, or Mac. Android and iOS is the best example of mobile and tablet operating system. 8. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC is a step-by-step systematic process to develop software, ensuring its quality and correctness. If you are planning to become a software developer, you should have knowledge about the proper life cycle of software, from requirement analysis to the maintenance of the product. There are 7 main phases in SDLC. 1. Requirement gathering and analysis. 2. Feasibility study. 3. Design. 4. Implementation and coding. 5. Testing. 6. Deployment. 7. Maintenance. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the 8 technical skills every developer should have. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.